I hope you watched Sunday's video. This is the thumbnail. I basically said that there were three stocks that I thought everybody should own based on the technical analysis that I had done at that time. I've done more. I've spent most of Saturday, Sunday, and now Monday on reevaluating the stocks that I hold in my Bus 12, Bus 13, and Bus 10 portfolios because I have recognized that there's things going on in this market. When Mark and Paul pointed out to me that Coca-Cola was actually outperforming Micron Technologies because of technical analysis, it became it became evident to me that that a company making money and producing good products and being a part of the AI revolution isn't enough. I have to consider the movement of money within the markets, and that becomes evident when you get deep into technical analysis. So that's what I've done over the last 3 days. And as a result of that, I want to use this opportunity to say I'm making some major changes in my cheat sheet as well as in my portfolios. I'm buying or adding to my positions in 11 stocks this week, and I'm selling, let's see, 4 stocks, and I'm holding basically the rest with some asterisks aside 2 of them that says if their technicals change just slightly, I want to add more money to them. But again, I'm selling some. So I want to just give you, the viewers, and hopefully my tribe, because I want to alert the tribe to go to the cheat sheet. I'm going to be continuing to update it to bring this technical analysis into my management of my portfolio. So here is the stocks that I'm buying or adding positions to. Adobe, EXTR, Fix, IBM, Modine, Marvel, ServiceNow, Palantir, Oracle, PANW, and PLAB. Now, each of them they're pretty much all in the AI and the semiconductor world, which is where I believe the future lies and opportunities lie. But again, I have to take in account technical analysis to take me out of vulnerable positions and then tell me when to come back in, because I feel I will be coming back into these stocks. These are the stocks I'm selling: Applied Digital, NVIDIA, Rambus, and UltraClean. Now, I'm selling part of my positions in them. That again, I will go into detail on my cheat sheet, and you know how to get to that. Now, I'm going to continue to hold Amazon, ASML, CD, NS, Dell, Google, Intel, Navitas, Skywater, Sound, Taiwan Semiconductor, and Vertiv. Now, 2 of those I have a star adjacent to, and that's because technical analysis tells me that I basically look for 4 green lights. 4 green lights that tell me this is the time to buy these stocks. And if you watch yesterday's video, you'll see what those green lights are. But there's 2, Intel and Vertiv, that just need one more light to turn green to say this stock's going up, and it's going up substantial. Now, what then has to happen is I regularly have to go back to the technical analysis. And again, I explained that and showed you how I used the charts in yesterday's video, so go watch that. But I have to, on a regular basis, revisit those charts to see when any of my indicators have turned red. And that will tell me reduce your positions or take your profits and move on. But I believe these are the stocks that are going to give me the major gains as a result of artificial intelligence and semiconductors. But I have to bring technical analysis and bring these other issues in. Because again, NVIDIA is growing, but it's not going up right now, but Coca-Cola is. And Coca-Cola only grows at an average rate of 6 to 7% a year. It's consistent. But it's safety, it pays a dividend. So people are preferring Coca-Cola to NVIDIA right now, to bring it down to simpleness. And you have to, or I have to, you don't have to do anything. I have to take that into consideration if I'm going to intelligently manage my portfolio and minimize my risk. It's just like in yesterday's video, super macro was evident. I mean, it screamed at you from a technical point of view. You would have seen it coming. I saw it coming. I didn't see it coming near soon enough. I would have gotten like to get out sooner. I got out of Symbiotics. I think Symbiotics is probably going to be one of the biggest paydays I ever have in my life. But right now is not the time to own it. So how do I know that? Technical analysis. How did I learn that? From Mark and Paul. And they are deep into our swing trading. Now, they do it on a day-to-day basis. I don't have time to do that because I'm doing all this research for you. Or, excuse me, not for you, for my tribe. Again, if this is the kind of thing that you want to learn more about, first of all, subscribe, and you can stay on the freebie side of it. But if you want in-depth knowledge, and I honestly don't believe you can become a brain surgeon without paying for school. And I've got a lot of trading to do tomorrow. So let's get at it.